With the rise of Netflix as the top and leading streaming series in the world, comes a demand for movies and television series of high quality. Not only has Netflix become the go-to streaming platform for many individuals, but it has also become a production company in its own right. Here is a list of 10 best high-rated web series on Netflix. Number 10, All of Us Are Dead. A virus outbreak at Hyoesang High School in South Korea turns the students and teachers into human-eating zombies. Nam On-jo and Lee Chang-sun are the two students and childhood friends who fight to survive in a school surrounded by infected zombies. But while they are trying to escape their high school, the Korean military and government are uneasily working to isolate the outbreak from the rest of the country. With raving viewers, the series has successfully brought the audience. All of Us Are Dead is rated 7.5 out of 10 on IMDb. Number 9, The Walking Dead 2010. Walking Dead. After a zombie apocalypse sweeps the United States police officer Rick Grimes travel with a group of survivors in search of a safe, secure home. The Walking Dead had an average audience 4.6 million viewers in season 1 and the number continued to rise through season 2. Number 8, The Sandman. The Sandman is based on highly acclaimed DC Comics comic book by the Neil Gaiman. The story premises revolve around the Murphys, one of the 7 members of the Endless family. Dead desire Dylan despite destiny, destruction and dream. After being held captive for over a century in a 1916 occult ritual, Dreams escape and makes it his mission to restore his realm and dreaming. Number 7, Lucifer 2016. A demon Lucifer returns from hell and decided to take up residence of Los Angeles. He soon gets involved with the local police and help them solve criminal cases. It will be interesting to see what Lucifer does on Earth and how the story takes a run. Lucifer placed number 1 in Nielsen US ranking of original streaming with 18.3 billion minutes watched across its full library of 93 episodes. Number 6, Ozark. Ozark is a crime drama that follows financial advisor Martin Bade, who moves his family to the Ozark after being forced to launder money of the Mexican drug cartel. For 3 seasons, fans follow a bride as they fall deep into the underworld of money laundering and their lives are turned upside down because of it. Number 5, Money Heist 2017. 8 robbers lock themselves in a royal mint of Spain, taking money hostage, and the criminal mastermind puts pressure on the police to execute his plan. Netflix revealed that the La Casa de Papel Part 5 as the show is known to Spanish language audience was viewed by 69 million Netflix households in the first 4 weeks following the season's release. Number 4, Stranger Things 2016. When a boy goes missing, a small town learns about secret experiment, terrifying supernatural power, and strange little girl. Stranger Things first aired on Netflix in July 2016. Since then, it has been a huge international hit. Season 4 of Stranger Things has already clocked up now 1.5 billion hours to watch time, becoming Netflix's second most watched season ever. Number 3, Squid Game. Hundreds of cash-strapped contestants accept the invitation to compete in the children game of lucrative prize, but the stakes are deadly. The Squid Game is much more than a simple deadly show. Released on 17 September 2021, the Squid Game is now most popular series in the platform history, number 1 in 94 countries worldwide, as the week of the most popular debut of any show on Netflix with over 111 million viewers. Number 2, Better Call Saul. After the groundbreaking success of Breaking Bad, many thought that perhaps any spin-off of the series would not able to do the top the procedures. Better Call Saul proved their assumptions wrong. The first season of the series showed just how much of the content it was as one of the best television series and spin-offs ever made. The black and white flash forwards of the first 5 seasons kept the audience guessing how Jimmy McGill became Saul Goodman and how Saul Goodman would ultimately end up working as a Ken Bond manager named Jan Takvik in Nebraska. Number 1, Breaking Bad. Walter White, a chemistry teacher, learns he has cancer and starts a mathematician of the math production business to pay his off medical debt. After meeting Jesse and priorities change. Breaking Bad is one of the most watched web series on Netflix. Its first 3 seasons had good viewership, but the 4th and 5th seasons saw a slight increase in viewership. Breaking Bad is one of the most successful TV shows of the all time.